Advantages and disadvantages of co-education system. It is an important social group discussion topic for interview. The education system plays a very important role in making the world a better place to live in the most civilized way. In this education system, co-education system, also known as mixed gender education, has its own advantages and disadvantages. For all those people who wonder whether coeducation is good or bad, in this video you will find all the information about what means by coeducation, the importance of the coeducation system, the advantages and disadvantages of coeducation, and conclusion of coeducation system. Let's get started. What is coeducation system? Co-education is a system where both the genders, male and female, participate in the same learning center or an educational institution. Importance of coeducation. The reason why coeducation is important is that it awakens the spirit of equality and comradeship among all students without any discrimination. Advantages of coeducation system. A good education system is said to be progressive only if it respects both the genders and giving the same education under a single roof. Let us see a few points that explain the advantages of the co-education system. First, it develops mutual respect. Second, it helps to overcome the fear of the opposite gender. Third, it develops healthy competition. Fourth, it develops self-esteem among the genders. Fifth, it encourages the survival in the future. Sixth, it develops character enhancement. Seventh, there will be no space for discrimination. Eighth, it promotes a controlled environment. Disadvantages of co-education system. Every establishment has pros as well as cons, and hence we need to look at every angle before we decide in which direction we have to go. Let us see few disadvantages or bad effects of co-education. First, chances of distractions could be more. Second, unethical activities will become common. Third, more involvement in personal feelings. Fourth, unwanted arguments and issues can create an unhealthy environment. Conclusion of coeducation system. There are both advantages as well as disadvantages for any kind of education system, including the co-education system. In this promising era of empowerment, though the debate on coeducation is going on, it is very essential to have a co-education system to fit the survival of an environment where both the genders have their place.